This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing everything so setup is quick. Charge your Nest Cam fully and open the Nest/Google Home app on your phone. Make sure your phone has Bluetooth and location enabled so the camera can be discovered. Connect to the Wi-Fi network you want the camera on and have the password handy. This is crucial because the camera joins your home network during pairing. Once done, sign into your Google account in the app and choose Add Device to start camera pairing now. Next, you pair the camera. In the app, choose Add Camera, then either scan the QR code on the device or follow the Bluetooth prompt to connect. This verifies physical ownership. Once connected, name the camera and assign it to a home and specific room so automations and voice control work properly. Then configure video options. Select resolution, set up activity zones to reduce false alerts, and choose notification rules. Make sure firmware updates install. They often occur automatically and improve performance. To finish, verify the live feed loads, timestamps look correct, and audio levels are appropriate by watching a short clip. This confirms the stream and mic/speaker. Test motion detection and push notifications, and check any subscription settings for cloud recording so nothing is missed. If something goes wrong, power cycle the camera and router first. This resolves most issues. If pairing still fails, remove and re-add the device in the app. And make sure your Wi-Fi password is correct and signal strength is strong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.